Yep, go for it. There we go. This one should be pretty cool. Yeah. Holy shit. Little butterflies coming out. Yeah, that was nice. Ooh, nose is burning.